unboxing. Good morning, guys.
Good morning, guys.
Oh no!
Not the scissor.
Hi, guys.
Hi, guys. Hello, Sam. Sam, look at there. This morning, we are going to unbox. Try to order, guys, car. The product name is Kid Safe Seat Portable Baby Car. So it's a baby seat car, guys.
And we're gonna put something in it. In the car.
We order at Shopee. Tatay order at Shopee.
Yeah, because I want that one so much because something do not sit on it.
For Ate Jess.
Yeah, for something.
Or for Semsem. You open Jess, help. I'm holding the baby. Next is open the plastic.
Open the plastic.
Put the plastic under the table. Ganito siya, guys. Here, I will make this closer. Go near and explain to them about this new. So, ganito siya, guys.
And guys, it has seat belts in it.
Both sides.
It has little these things like cushion
Correct.
and a little curvy thing in the middle.
Yes, a comfy thing. Very soft. Very comfortable.
Yeah. And we ordered this from Shopee.
Correct. Shopee 7-Eleven. But it's not 7-Eleven. Not 7-Eleven. 11-11. And then you will press here to open the conges.
Yes.
You try. No, you press both. This one ba? You pull. Don't know pa? You press both like that ba? Oh. So you explain to them what else. What's the use of baby car seat?
Baby sit on this.
And why do we need to use baby car seat?
Because it's keep babies safe.
Correct. You're so good. The color of this?
It's red
Red and
and black.
we're done unboxing the baby car seat. We ordered online from Shopee.
Thanks for watching.
And
Please
subscribe.
for more videos with us and Simpson.
Bye.
Goodbye, guys. Goodbye.